Hi everyone, welcome back to our Python for Data Analysis series. In this video, we are diving deeper into loops, exploring nested loops and control statements like break and continue. These techniques will help you write more dynamic and powerful Python code. So let's get started. So what is nested loops? Nested loops are loops inside another loop. They are particularly useful when working with multi-dimensional data, such as matrices and nested lists. Let's look at how they work. In this example, we use nested loop to print all the coordinates in 3 into 3 matrix. The outer loop handles the row and inner loop takes care of the columns. Notice how the print at the end ensures each row appears on a new line. Python's break and continue statements allow you to control the flow of a loop. The break statement is used to exit a loop prematurely, while continue skips the current iteration and moves to the next one. Here is a simple example using break. The loop iterates through number from 1 to 9 and stops when it encounters a number divisible by 5. Notice how break ends the loop entirely. In this example, the continue statement is used to skip even numbers in a range. The loop moves directly to the next iteration whenever it encounters an even number. Now it's time to see nested loops and control statements in action. In the demo, we will print multiplication tables using nested loops. We will use break to stop the loop when a condition is met. And we will also use continue to skip specific numbers in a loop. Let's start with nested loops. We will use them to generate multiplication tables from 1 to 3. Here we are creating a nested loops with taking care of the indentation, and we can use f-string to print our multiplication table, and then we can see how efficient and helpful is this nested loop for us in Python program. Here now when we execute this code, we can see that we have the multiplication table of 1, 2 and 3. Here we can see that the outer loop iterates through the number 1 to 3 and the inner loop prints the multiplication table for each number. Next, let's see how the break statement works. We will stop a loop when the number is equal to 7. After creating the loop, we can give the if condition here, that if number is equal to 7, we can break the loop. Now we can print, execute it. We can see that the loop stops as soon as the number 7 is encountered, skipping all the further iterations. Finally, let's look at continue statement. We will skip numbers which are divisible by 3 in a loop. Here, after giving the for loop, we can say that if number is giving the reminder 0 after getting divided by 3, we can continue. Means we can skip it. And now when we print, we can see that we have got an error because I have given this colon here, sorry. Here number which are divisible by 3 are missing. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. 3 and 6 are missing. So we can conclude that whenever the loop encounters a number divisible by 3, it skips the iteration and moves to the next. In the next video, we will explore functions in Python. Functions helps us to write reusable and clean code, making our program efficient and modular. So don't miss it. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to share with anyone who is interested in learning Python. Thank you and Jai Hind.